Hello, in this video I am going to solve a LeetCode problem on binary tree. So the problem statement says that given the root of a binary tree, return the in-order traversal of its nodes values. So basically, traversal is the process of visiting each node in a tree in a specific order. So in this question we are going to do in-order traversal of the binary tree. Means we are going to visit the root dot left value first, then the root value, and at last we are going to visit the root dot right value. So let's see how we are going to execute that into the code. Now the requirement of the question is to return the answer in a list. So I'm going to initialize an empty list, and now my idea is to perform in-order traversal on the binary tree recursively. Because we have to perform the in-order traversal on each node, we are going to use recursion to do that. So I'm going to define a nested function inside my given function, and I'm going to pass my root and my answer in that. So the base condition of this function will be that whenever we encounter that a node has a empty subtree, we are going to return from the loop. So I am going to write if root is none, return, or my loop will continue. So here I am going to write the order in which I want the traversal to happen. So I first want the loop to visit my left subtree of the root, and as soon as it encounters a root value, it will append it into the list, that is answer dot append root dot value, and then we are going to continue the recursion for the right subtree of the root. Here I'm going to call the function to update the value of answer, and I'm going to return my answer. I'm going to run it. So basically, in short, we had a function by the name इनऑर्डर ट्रैवर्सल जो कि हमें रूट दे रहा था और हमसे एक लिस्ट रिटर्न करने को कह रहा था which will contain the in-order traversal of the binary tree. So inside that function I have first created an empty list in which I am going to store the specific order of the binary tree. Then next I have created a function, a nested function inside the in-order traversal function by the name inorder, which is taking my root and answer. So inside the in-order function, I have defined my base condition. The base condition is that whenever the root is none, we are going to simply return from the function indicating that there is an empty subtree for that particular node. So otherwise the function recursively calls itself on the left subtree of the root and then appends the value of the current node and then finally recursively calls the right subtree of my current node. And after the in-order traversal has been completed, we are going to call the function and we are going to simply return the answer from it. I hope this explanation was easy for you. Thank you for watching.